We're about to meet Mike and Robin. They're a fun young couple. They're about to get married, and they live in their first home. This house is about 100 years old. It's a shotgun home. We're gonna give them a shot at renovation. Are you ready? Well, you have no choice. Here I come. Well, good morning! What's going on? Come on out.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Nice to meet you.
How are you, man? How you doing? So
excited.
why are we here?
To fix our room, please.
We have something really cool coming your way.
Oh my gosh, I'm
so
so excited.
Yeah?
And it's Mike's birthday today.
It's your birthday?
It is.
It is.
Happy birthday, dude. You're gonna have a great present coming your way.
It seems like that.
Oh my gosh.
Did we surprise you?
Yes.
Let me see this room. I'm excited,
Come
too.
on.
Let's go see.
So this is our second bedroom and office.
This is the
and
second bedroom right here?
It is, because of this closet that's in the corner that is approximately this wide. I mean, not that you'd really want to.
Oh,
You're
that is a small closet.
Yes.
That's not a closet.
Technically it is. That's what makes this a second
That's for like
bedroom.
ties
So.
and belts.
Yes.
That's
yeah.
it. That's a tie and belt closet.
Yep.
That's it. Back in the day, that was
All
it. That
we
was-
needed. And there's no doors, which makes it great for when you have people over. Yes.
What's going on? You have like an office slash living room?
This is where the mail goes.
So you come through the house, you stop here, put the mail on the
Yes.
table,
Yes.
And then you go to the rest of the house.
and then you
Yeah.
go to the rest of the house.
So this was left by the previous homeowner, and we said we were gonna get rid
The
of
table?
it. The table.
And you kept it?
And we kept it.
Why?
Because
collects
the
mail.
Because it collects
The
mail.
mail, that's right, I forgot. Okay.
I get to work from home quite a bit, or in the
Okay.
evenings I work for a CPA firm, so I have a lot of work to do. So that's where I do my work, which is not in a...
In the corner.
In the corner.
There's nothing to look at. You just sit down and watch
Watch the wall.
So you guys are getting married soon.
We are, yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And so this is gonna add to the house and to your marriage.
Yes, absolutely. Because we have so many people who are going to be coming like to our house to stay, and you know, it's just be great for them to have a place as well as for us to have a place, you know, that we really love.
This is
So,
your first house together.
It is.
Yes, lots of apartments, but it's our first house.
Lots of apartments.
Yes,
This is like a dead zone.
it is. It is. That's basically 100% accurate.
Well, not after today, it won't be. Nikki Huggins is our designer today. She's one of my favorites. She comes up with the most unbelievable designs, and this one stands out. There's Nikki!
Hi, guys. Nice